Hello everyone! What is up? We are here at my fiance's home.
Welcome.
Yes, welcome. And we have his family there. They're a little bit busy doing some things, but we are so excited because today we are gonna go to
Puebla.
We're gonna go to Puebla, and Puebla, as I researched a little bit earlier, is there's a lot of historical places there, a lot of really nice architecture, and so I'm excited to know a little bit more of Mexico, spending time with my fiance and his family. And what can you say about Puebla, baby?
Well, there's a lot to say about Puebla. Puebla is one of the most historical places in Mexico. It developed a key in Mexico history in the war, you know. So we're going to see a lot of places that were involved in a lot of wars that Mexico was. So yeah, just as my fiance mentioned, the architecture, the gastronomy, it's wonderful there in Puebla. So yeah, we're going to see a lot of things there.
So I have to really be careful because just as he said, the gastronomy is really good. So I'm like, yo, how can I be on a diet right now? But yes, I'm really excited. So we're gonna show you a little bit of the B-rolls, a little bit of the trip going there, and as well as when we are already there. So keep posted, guys, and I can't wait to show you more. Awesome. We're gonna say bye.
Bye. See you there.
See you.
A few moments later.
Hey everybody, so as you can see, we have our things up and back, and it's gonna be a how long, maybe?
Maybe 3 hours.
3 hours trip from Toluca City
to Puebla City. It depends on the traffic. We are hoping to do like maybe 3 hours.
Yes, and we have an amazing driver with us today. Hi! Hi! And who's the mommy?
Pepe.
Pepe is here, yes. So it's a whole family. We're gonna go to Puebla and we're so excited. We're gonna show you some shots as we go.
Bye!
Independence in Mexico. He and his army come here because his plan was to go to Mexico City to take Mexico City. So it was in this place. It was the last battle before taking Mexico City, and he won the battle here. Really? Something like this. But now you can see the buildings. It's clear.
Very nice and
Very clear.
Usually it's dark.
Yeah. You cannot see the buildings. Because dark clouds.
Well, I'm very blessed to be able to see a clear, clear city. Hey everyone, so we're finally in Puebla. Puebla is over there, it's over here, we're everywhere in Puebla. And of course, Mommy is here too. Mommy, you may say hi. 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 This is Puebla City, everyone. It's my first time here. Chris, baby, have you been here before?
Here in Puebla, yeah, but not in this Airbnb.
Oh, not this Airbnb. All right, so this is actually the perfect place, the perfect Airbnb that my fiance chose because in the inside, it's already really nice in the architecture. We're gonna show you what is inside. And also on the outside, you can see 2 volcanoes. So as you were able to see earlier, we showed you one volcano named
Popocatépetl.
Popocatépetl.
Popocatépetl. No, Popocatépetl.
So that one, my fiance can pronounce it better than I can. So yes, there's a little bit of area here where you can go outside, spend some time. But of course, it's really dangerous if we're gonna lean onto the glass. So this is what it looks like here in the Airbnb. It's really, it's so much better to book an Airbnb compared to a hotel because the price is half. So it's way cheaper compared to a hotel, but it's really amazing. It's really neat. It's so if you plan to go on trips, we really recommend you to go on different Airbnbs instead of doing hotels. They are much safer. They're as safe. They're much cleaner. They're really much more affordable. And so there are 3 rooms here. This is gonna be one room. Please excuse the mess because I just put all my things on the bed. But yeah. It's really awesome. What I really love about this place is that it's really comfortable, it's really neat. But when you also look at the window, you can also see the different areas here in Puebla. We are on the 5th floor, and the most beautiful part is you can see the volcano. It's another volcano, guys. So we saw one volcano already, and this is the second one that you can see. And so this is just amazing, like both inside and outside. I feel like, I know that this is like the best. So my baby really did a great job. So thank you, baby. Are you want to show them around?
Yeah, sure, around.
Okay. So that was my bedroom. Now we're gonna go to my Pepe's bedroom and his brother's bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2, where my fiance and his brother will be staying. So as you can see, really nice and comfy beds, really nice and clean. you can still see the volcano from here. They have their own bathroom as well. We forgot to show you my bathroom, but this is the bathroom. It's really nice. Way better than booking a hotel. I have been to, like, you know, hotels like are really expensive, but they don't really have nice places. So we recommend you to book Airbnbs. And this is not a sponsored video, by the way. This is not a sponsored
But we are
video.
open to sponsorships.
We are welcoming sponsorships. So this is the master bedroom where Chris's parents, my fiance's parents, will be staying for the whole week. And so they have an amazing view as well. Ooh, they can see both volcanoes. Can they? Yes, there's the other volcano there. There's one volcano there. The other volcano in the other place. This is an amazing city. I love that there's a lot of palm trees right across the city, right scattered around the city. And so it makes it feel that, you know, relaxing vibe, that tropical vibe. Even if this is not a tropical place, it makes it feel like this is a tropical place because of the palm trees. All right, so we see Poppy here looking at what's inside of the fridge. We see Mommy here as well. We're doing the vlogs. All right, so where we started is where we are going to be ending. So amazing living room, and we're going to end with the volcano that we started with.
So from coming to here, we did a road trip, 3 hours more or less. So yeah, we're happy to be finally here in Puebla. We are really excited to spend a whole week here, as my fiancé told you. So we are going to share some of our adventures here.
Hey, adventures with the family.
So see you in the next video.
See you. Bye.
Bye.